Ebusiafo, there is some observation be my and I think oyem frama onam President John Dramani Mahama no hwa oreba. My observer in few weeks here what didn't see doing the sign of honesty bureau kodo Ghana, and we need to commend wana where them honest and no man paying ankasan. I then a second coming obia reason a quarrel on Charibiana Swedro Secondary School. A branch be who be a pairs and or deliver person ma oye school authorities headmistress and Emma Goshes Kokova dam story.
As students who have found money and have decided to bring the money to the authorities to announce for the owners. Come, this boy especially, the purse that he found. You see, I cannot disclose the amount. But the amount is so much that I was surprised.
On Cherry, and an answer so. Zoom Lion or your Wekebio airport. Only Accra, I think Tamale will say Kumasi baby. I'm sure they were Tamale. Also, we 20,000 Ghana cedis. Ogubolim, Emma wa return him was not in a plane in my Accra Zoom Line head office. And under Damara so Mukoro Makahu. Can you imagine? Nigeria in your Romakawan, 100 cities that I seat in our seat. Minimum this can show Nigeria nya we mu the 100 cities she sit na ase where you scan was our mama back. And I feel that say yama President John Mahama tnado chara no crazy bebre baba Ghana ase asama American mamu bi amfanya politics, but these are good signs there. No crazy boko do man mu pa e nyedo bi na wa mam kakre bebi da man kabet. This is the video of Nigeria in Ezan. What he's doing, he wouldn't make 100 cedis the whole day. Now let me put a camera here. What he's doing, he will not make 100 cedis the whole day. But he found money in my car and he gave it to me. People will say that because I'm a fan of Nigeria, that's why I plotted this. But God knows that he's my witness. Why did you do that?
Because one, I can't take what does not belong to me. The person work for it. See, so me taking somebody's money is like putting the person into pain. Me myself, I'm feeling the same pain, looking for the same money. Getting the money that is not belongs to me, I don't think I need it. So God, and I get God fearing.
Now I'll put this video out.